Hi friends, welcome to Close Book Channel.
Push-ups are a classic and effective bodyweight exercise that primarily targets the muscles of the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They can be performed at home without any equipment and offer numerous benefits for weight loss and overall fitness. Here's an overview of push-ups, their benefits, safety aspects, and a conclusion. 5 benefits of push-ups. Calorie burn. Push-ups engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them a compound exercise that burns calories and supports weight loss. Upper body strength. They help build strength in the chest, shoulders, and triceps, contributing to improved upper body muscle tone. Core stability. Push-ups require core engagement to maintain proper form, leading to better core stability and strength. No equipment needed. As a bodyweight exercise, push-ups can be done anywhere without the need for special equipment. Variability. Push-ups can be modified to suit different fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes, allowing for progression over time. 3 safety aspects of push-ups. Proper form. Maintain proper push-up form to avoid strain on the shoulders and lower back. Keep your body in a straight line and lower yourself with control. Wrist alignment. Ensure that your wrists are aligned with your shoulders during push-ups to reduce the risk of wrist discomfort or injury. Modification. If you're new to push-ups or have any shoulder or wrist issues, start with modified versions, e.g., kneeling push-ups, before progressing to full push-ups. Conclusion. Push-ups are an efficient and accessible exercise for weight loss and upper body strength training at home. They engage multiple muscle groups, burn calories, and improve upper body muscle tone. Push-ups also contribute to core stability and can be modified to suit different fitness levels. To perform push-ups safely and effectively, focus on maintaining proper form, wrist alignment, and consider starting with modified versions if needed. As with any exercise routine, it's important to listen to your body, avoid pushing yourself too hard, and rest and recover adequately between workouts. Incorporate push-ups into a well-rounded workout program that includes cardiovascular exercises, lower body workouts, and flexibility training for a balanced approach to weight loss and overall fitness. If you have any health concerns or pre-existing conditions, consult with a healthcare professional or fitness expert before starting a new exercise regimen.